everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Londa. I'm the Crazy Vegan. If you've been to my channel before, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fried grain and vegetable dish using leftover grain and vegetables. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll give you some tips on different ways to actually cook it. Today I'm using a wok, but you can use any pan and you can use any grain or any vegetable. So enjoy the video. After you've added the 1/3 cup water, a little bit of mushroom bouillon, and the ginger, you let it heat up, stirring it a little bit, and when it's hot, you add the vegetables. Add the vegetables and stir until the vegetables are soft. Once the vegetables are soft, add either low sodium soy sauce, regular soy sauce, coconut aminos, liquid aminos, whatever you have on hand. Now we're going to stir it again until it's cooked just a little bit more. Since this is a 50-50 plate for these maximum weight loss starch solution, add your leftover rice equal to the vegetables. And stir. All you're going to do now is cook that until it's heated all the way through. Remember, this is compliant for maximum weight loss starch solution, regular starch solution, nutritarian, whole foods, plant-based, SOS free. Since we're cooking this in water, there's no oil and no added calories or fat. If you're doing a different maximum weight loss plates, adjust the grain and the vegetables to reflect that. Once it's cooked, it's ready to serve. And there you have it. SOS free fried rice. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoyed the video today. Just a couple tips. You can use any pan. This is a no oil fry, so whatever pan you have that's non-stick would be ideal. Make sure your pan is really hot before you put in the vegetables or the grains. For weekly batching, if you have anything even other than rice, which I used, you can substitute it and do the exact same thing. If you don't have fresh vegetables, as I did, I had some left over in my vegetable drawer, you can use any bag of frozen vegetables. Make sure your vegetables are completely warm before you add in your grain. If you do eat salt, then go ahead and add that after you have completed cooking. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you next time.